Yo, yo, yo. Welcome, everybody. I hope you guys are able to listen to me. Yes, I am here to stream my coding sessions, brothers. Yo, yo, yo. Welcome, everybody. I hope you guys are able to listen to me. Yes, I am here to stream my. Wait a second, let's. Like kind of. Yo, yo, yo. Welcome, everybody. I hope you guys are able to listen to me. Yes, I'm here. Don't know what is this man. Sudden, let's. Wait a second, bros. Wait a second. I'll come in just a minute, man. Yes, here. Hey, you know what is this man? Sudden. Wait a second, bro. I'll come in just a minute, man. Here, here. Hey, you know what is this man? Wait a second, bro. Yes, I'm back. I went to get my earphones just to make sure that I'm doing great. Second, wait a second, brother. Yes, I'm back. I went to get my earphones, and look what I've got, bros. That I have this for my whole night. I have this while streaming and wait a second, brother. Yes, back. Let me get my water. I went to get my earphones, and look what I've got, bros. That this for my whole night. I have this while streaming and second, bro. Yes, back. Let me get my water. I went to get my what was this for the whole night and I was thinking that second, bro. Yes, let me get my water. I went to get my whole night and I was thinking that. Let me connect my Bluetooth to it. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, so you guys, am I visible, guys? Do it. Should I log it first? Here. Is it okay? Visible to everyone? Great, great. Okay, so you guys, am I visible, guys? Is it okay? Visible to everyone? Great, great. Okay, so you guys, am I visible, guys? Let me share my link for everyone first. Is it okay? Visible to everyone? Great, great. Okay, so you guys, am I visible, guys? Let me share my link. Hello, hello. I hope I'm audible to you guys. Yo, guys. Okay, let me just save the screen first. I hope you guys are able to see the screen now. So I was telling about Java, Python actually for the last videos, and I got to know that many students also want to know or get to know about Python, uh, Java, and I recently got to know that Java has been a very difficult part to study. Unless I don't talk while I'm eating mad angle satari masti because it's my favorite chip. Yes, let us start with the Java. What I'll do is let me first create a boilerplate. Boilerplate, boilerplate is nothing but the basic syntax to write the Java code. Class span. name, mm, Let me just okay. So let me explain what I have written now. This is the basic syntax or rule for the Java to write the code. See, every programming language has its own rules and its own syntaxes to write the code, and definitely Java also has a one. And what I have done is I have created a folder named YT Java in my desktop, and I have created another file in the folder named YT bar underscore Java. Here you guys can see, right? And in this folder, I have created this file named sam.java. And I have written something inside this file, namely public class Sam. Sam is nothing but the file name, where Java syntax says that the class name and the file name should be same, as you guys can see here, sam.java, and class name is also the same, sam. .java is just the extension to write the code. It is used majorly for the computer to understand what kind of programming language are you guys coding in. Okay, so I have written some notes. I have where I had been studying Java for the past 1 month, and yeah, this is the boilerplate. And boilerplate, I have said this is a basic syntax for Java to run the code. And public, what is if you guys wonder what is public means, public is nothing but it is an access modifier where you others can access your file because it's the public. There are two other access modifiers rather than public. One is private and another is I think protected something. Yeah, protected. So public and protected and private. There are three access modifiers in Java basically, and public is majorly used in where when you and your team is doing something work on a similar folder or file and you need to work on it. So we use public. So now I use public here. Let me write another line of code. Okay, so to the people who know little bit about coding or knows some other languages like Python, C, or any other language, this is a brief introduction to them. And if you don't know any language, then also it's fine. If you'll just get used to it. System.out.print hello world and hello print hello world. Okay, so hello world is the basic uh, beginner thing what people do while coding while they start coding. And always print statements are given in inverted commas. See here. And this means that you are telling the machine to give an output in the terminal what it is given here down. Let me clear this first. And if I run this code now, there is no red line, means there is no error in this code. And when I run this code, which is hello world, whatever I had given in the semicolon, it gave me the output because I have told the machine that give me the output as hello world. Let me write some other thing, like let me print some star, like printing a star like this, four stars, and yes, in Java, this is the most important and crucial thing while learning or starting coding because this is the full stop of the Java programming language. This means you are terminating the sentence by giving a full stop, basically a semicolon in Java. And in like in English language, we use grammar, and in Java programming language also it also has some rules such as grammar, and it needs to be followed very strictly. Okay, so let me print another sentence. Okay, and let me print three stars now. And if I copy this line and paste and that's two stars, next, oh, next the same with one star.
And now if I run this, okay, see what happened now is I have printed hello world star the next sorry at the next line I have printed 4 stars. Next line I have printed 3 stars. Next line 2 stars. And next 1 star. The output should be something like like this, like the right angle triangle, but it came something else. Hello world. After that, like with no space and with no any space, the stars printed one by one. Why? Because Java has another syntax known as LN. This means next line. What if I write here LN and run this code? This means after the hello world sentence, it leaves the whole front page and comes to the next line and prints further whatever you have printed here. Here I have printed 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars. And if I put here LN here also and I run this again, see 4 stars came first and other stars came one by one. Similarly, if I do for all println and I run this, see it gave me a right angle triangle, inverted right angle triangle. Now let us try something with mathematics. Print 2 plus 3. Now see there are two types of there are like uh, there is a what we can say, there is a keyword known as data types in programming languages. Now the mathematical expression, what I was saying, yeah, data types. There are two types of data, many types of data types in programming language, and now we have two types of data types in our what we have written in this code. One is string data type. Let me just type this string data type, and other one is integer data type. And if you're wondering what I have written in this green word, these are nothing but comments. Comments are just like English sentences, just to indicate what you have written here. It's just to make you understand what you have written in the code. So, like example, I have used here string, so I have written string data type, and I have here integer data type. Integers are basically numbers, what we use in programming language, like two, 3, etc., etc., etc. It goes on minus infinity into plus infinity. There are many numbers. It may be any kind of number. And now, if I run this code, it gave me 5. See, programming Java programming language comes with a Java development kit, which includes all the math functions, all the uh, rules or syntax about Java. And Java knows how to do mathematical calculations, simple mathematical arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division, subtraction. Let us try something else. Let us, like try 2 minus 3. And if we run, let me just use ln so that the output comes in the next line. 5 and minus 1. See, I said from minus infinity to plus infinity. All the arithmetic expressions can be done using Java programming language. Similarly, if I do this, use multiplication, use division, and there is one more, like expression known as module. Module means it basically gives you the remainder what it is left. For example, 7 by 2, the quotient becomes 6 and the remainder becomes 1. 2 is a 6 and 7 minus 6 is 1, so remainder becomes 1. So the answer for 7 module 2 is 1. I hope you're getting it. Yeah. So if you run this, so wait a second. So let's put next line, next line. Okay. 5 minus 1, so there is a 6, 2 divided by 3 is 0 because it comes for integer, for decimal values also there is another data type known as float, but as we use your integer data type, so it's just giving us 0, it's not giving 0 point something something something. For that we need to use float. What is float? So let us try something with float. Print yes, 3. uh, Wait a second, 2 divided by 3, and so what I'll do is, okay, we'll learn about float afterwards, after we study about variables, because we need to study how variables store the data. So we'll do one thing, we'll just learn about variables right now only. So you got to know that Java programming language is nothing but a language similar to English. It also has rules and syntaxes conducted by its own syntax and rules, and it also has some basic syntax such as the basic boilerplate. Boilerplate is nothing but you have to write in the code. It is a compulsory code. Like you need to create a class and you need to create the main function compulsory to run to make sure that it runs the code. Okay, so let's understand what are variables. Int a. Let me first write the code what I'm doing now. 1. Okay. So I've written a line int a is equals to 1. What does this mean? So what happens here is a assuming a is a container. Okay, a is a container, and a and a named container can store any kind of data type. Okay, so what does this mean? Assuming A as a container, assume this as a this water bottle as a container. Now this water bottle contains the variable the data type 1, integer 1. So I have first I have declared A as an integer data type, means it can store only numerical values into it and not other values like such as strings and all. For example, if I use summer, see it gives me an error. Why? It says type mismatch. See, I have given here I have declared a container a as an integer, means it can only contain numerical values. It cannot contain string values. So I need to remove this and I need to put any kind of integer values. And this integer values goes and gets stored into the a, which is a variable. And whatever it is stored in a, it is kept in a temporary memory into the system. Now, let me create another variable is equals to 10. Okay. So I have created another variable, declared it as integer, and have stored 10 into the b. into the 10 integer 10 into the variable b. Now what I'll do is I'll print out, wait a second, I'll take another variable, third variable, and assuming I need to take the sum of a plus b, assuming I have to take the sum of a plus b, means a the value of a is 9 and the value of b is 10. So a plus b is equals to 9 plus 10, which is 19. So basically some variable sum value should be 19. Let me print out this sum first. Sum. See, if I, uh, what I'll do is I'll just print out this all sentences so that you guys won't get confused. See, 19. So what happened is I have added these both variables a and b, where I had before only declared what is a and what is b, and then added both the integers. So what it became, the both the integers values came and stored into the variable sum, and then I have taken or printed out the sum. So it is 19. I hope you guys are understanding. So the next part is a very simple part, which is data types. Let me comment this first. Types in Java. I want you guys also to try all this code what I have written now by yourself, and make sure you guys mm, get exactly what to write and what to do in this language. Okay, so there are basically two types of data types in Java. The first one is primitive, and the second one is non-primitive. What this means is basically primitive contains data types such as byte, and short, and char, and boolean, etc. Let us take just, okay, let me add another float. So these five are the most majorly used characters, sorry, data types for now, at least for now. So let us understand one by one what is this. Byte is nothing but 0 or 1. 1 byte means it can contain only one. um, so here the size can go till mm, till minus 128 to What should I use, man? Plus 127. Similarly, so for short, char, int, boolean, float, there are many kind of data types. You just go and read, man. I'm just fed up of these data types. Yeah, there are many kind of data types. All make something simpler kind of things, like all store something in them. All store a particular kind of data in them. Now let us do a basic and simple code. What we'll do, we'll comment this out first. A basic and simple code. What we'll do is I'll do a input keyword. That means I actually need to adjust this how to do, but I'm not able to do this. Yeah, how about I play some songs, man? But how do I do that? Mm, How do I do that, man? Is it too loud? Is it too loud or what? I'm not able to hear what's happening. Okay. Oh no, man. Hello, hello, hello. Is it not audible or what? I'm not able to hear myself at the stream. Hello? Yeah, it's audible. Not able to hear. audible. It's here. Hello. Yeah, it's audible. Here. Let me do one thing, man. Let me just change the settings now. So, let me do one thing, man. Let me just change the settings now. Is this thing clear or whether it's not clear? I'm not getting able to get to know what it exactly is happening actually. Let me do one thing, man. Let me just change the settings. Let me do one thing. How do I do this, man? Is this thing clear or whether it's not clear? I'm not getting able to get to know what it exactly is happening actually. How do I add songs? Let me do one thing. If they don't want me to listen, how do I do this, man? Is this thing clear or whether it's not clear? I'm not getting able to get to know what it exactly is happening actually. How do I add songs? Able to know. Let me do one thing. If they don't want me to listen, how do I do this, man? Hello, hello. Okay, so everything is working. How do I add songs? Able to know. They don't want me to listen. Hello, hello. Okay, so everything is working. But I want to add a song, Ray. I don't know how to add the song in the background. Where like that song should not. I should not able to hear the song, but you guys need to able to hear the song. I don't know how to do it. Hello, hello. Okay, so everything is working. What if I do this? I want to add a song, Ray. I don't know how to add the song in the background. Where like that song should not. I should not able to hear the song, but you guys need to able to hear the song. I don't know how to do it.
Create your own website with ease using Hostinger AI Website Builder. Simply describe.
Hope you guys are able to hear the song. Whether it is too loud. Hope you guys are able. Okay, just I just wanted to check whether the basic system, uh, the what I'll speak, but like you guys are able to hear both. Let me just check that one. Okay, just I just wanted to check whether system, the what I'll speak, Let us do one thing, man. Just react to some crazy shit. And just reaction video like, how about we react to some movies and all? Yeah, let us do one thing. You can just like kind of react to movies. Uh, which movie should we say? Kantara has Kantara 2, something has been released, na? What has been released? To, trailer, series studio. Yeah, man, 5 years old. Oh, is it really released or what? Oh, it's a scam, boys. It's a scam.
तुम्हारे जन्म से पहले ही तुम्हारे पापा पंजोली देव के पास चले गए। पंजोली देव का जन्म कैसे हुआ? बहुत वर्षों पहले हमारे
It's a scam,
यहाँ
boys.
कुछ कबीले हुआ करते थे।
Hello, hello, hello. I hope you guys are able to hear me now properly.
यहाँ कुछ कबीले हुआ करते थे।
Hello, hello.